For NASCAR, it was the literal perfect storm. The first televised Daytona 500. And this happened in February of 1979. You know what else happened in 1979 in February? The eastern United States gets hit with a huge snowstorm, so millions of people are stuck inside watching TV. And then they see this race. It's a crazy race. It comes down to for top two racers, and they're neck and neck, and then they crash, or the third place racer goes and wins. And then they cut to the top two drivers, and they're fighting. Everyone likes a good fight. And that is what is credited to putting NASCAR on the map.